Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Friday, March 19. The time is around 3:30 a.m. GMT. Today we will be looking at the chart of Canadian dollar yen. This is a 45 minutes chart. Okay, so we can see right here that we ended with 3 in the intermediate degree, and we are proposing with 4 intermediate degree also ended here at 86.8. okay, and then from here we could see further upside within the with 5 in the intermediate degree, right? So we got 1 and 2 in the minor degree, 3 and 4, and then 5. So let's zoom out a little bit and take a look at the larger degree structure. If we take a look at the daily, okay, so I'm putting 3 and 4 here in the intermediate degree right here. So this is 3 and then this is a 4 based on the 1 hour chart, and you can see we are dealing with the cycle that started from January 29 low, and that cycle is currently in a 5 waves, looking pretty impulsive to me here, as you can see. And let's take a look here in the RSI. No divergence at the peak. You can see that usually signals that that's not the end of the move, because there is still no divergence at the moment. Okay, so you got a what looks like an impulse, what looks to be incomplete 3 waves without divergence, right? Without divergence. So that suggests that we could still see further upside, at least one more leg higher in the Canadian dollar yen. Now if we use the Fibonacci extension between 1 and 2 here, the sort of the connector in the middle, now we can see the extension is it's not really that big. It's only 100%, but with 3 doesn't, I mean, there is no rule saying with 3 has to be 161.8, right? That's kind of like a guideline, but it's not a rule. So technically sometimes with 3 can be ending 100%, slightly above 100%, like in this case, or 123.6. sometimes it can go to 1.618 or even higher. The only rule is that with 3 cannot be in the shortest wave. That's it. That's the only rule. Everything else is just a guideline. Alright, so now with this proposed count here, if this is truly wave 4, like I said, no divergence, suggesting more upside is likely. So that means we want to see whether the pullback here is a not too shallow pullback for us to buy again, right? Now with 4, the guideline says that wave 4 usually end somewhere between 23.6 and 38.2% retracement. So if you measure retracement here, we currently hit the 23.6% retracement already now. So yes, it has enough number of swing or enough target here to finish the wave 4 in blue, right? Now, however, does it mean that we really guaranteed to end with 4? Not really. Until we break above wave 3 again, we could extend the correction to the downside. Again, wave 4 typically is between 23.6 38.2. So let's go back to the 1 hour chart. There is a pretty, I mean, we subdivided into 3, but when it happened, it's really kind of difficult to find where is the A and the B, because it's very shallow. Okay, so we did these 3 waves, and we ended with 4 here, which is the 23.6% retracement again of this. But of course, until it breaks above wave 3 again, we can always do double correction, right? We can always do that. This could be an ABC like this, for example, fail to break above and then do another leg lower. Now if that's the case, then it becomes a WXY, and it can go to the 38.2% retracement right here. Okay, so bottom line is that this has the possibility to extend higher, and this has enough target to finish the wave 4, because again it hits the 23.6. But can it do a deeper correction? The answer is yes. Until we break above 3, we could be doing bigger correction like a WXY, maybe going to the 38.2% retracement next, around 86.3. Okay, before the pair can have a chance to go up again. So it's either now, so the chance here is either we finish and go up, or we can be doing let's say this could be doing ABC somewhere around here, fail and go down, and then that will be your fall. And then that means if that's the case, then we're gonna rally to new high from here. All right, but the daily looks impulsive, and also the daily doesn't have divergence at the peak. The daily is favoring more upside in the pair. Okay, so that's the update here for today. I hope you find it helpful. As always, if you want to check our service, we have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next week then. Have a good weekend, everyone.